my nap time. Cutting into my nap time.
I know, you take a nap.
Or yesterday.
This cause number 2020-10423 in the interest of Christian, Marilyn, and Nathan Santillan.
And we're defaulting dad on this UF's action today, Your Honor.
And this is a petition under the Uniform Interstate Family Support Act.
Yes, sir.
All right. Court will note that Christian Santillan Castellano is the non-custodial parent. He's not present. He's not filed an answer. Is that correct?
That is correct, Your Honor. We also
And
sent
what-
additional by certified mail as well.
All right. And why do we have Mr. Barrera here?
He's going to be my witness for income information, Your Honor.
Okay. Court will note that Mr. Castellano was served on April 23rd, 2020 at 6:16 p.m. at 9100 Dotson Street, apartment 13 in Houston, Harris County, Texas. File no answer. We'll proceed by default.
Thank you, Your Honor. I'd first like to call my witness, Arnaldo Barrera, please. Mr. Barrera, what is your occupation?
I'm a child support officer.
And is that for the Attorney General's office?
Working for the Attorney General of Texas. Yes, that is correct.
Your Honor, do you mind swearing in Mr. Barrera before I continue with the questioning?
I'm sorry, I didn't hear you.
Could you swear in my
Let me
witness
get my,
before?
let me get my, hang on.
I'm sorry, what did you say?
Could you
Sorry.
swear in my witness, please, before I continue my questioning?
Oh, okay. Raise your right hand to be sworn.
Thank you.
Solemnly swear to tell the truth, the whole truth, and nothing but the truth, so help you God.
Yes, I do.
All right, further, I'm going to notice that Mr. Santillan was noticed of this Zoom hearing by certified mail, which he was delivered August 17th, 2020. All right,
Thank you, Your Honor. Mr. Barrera, please state your full name.
Arnaldo Barrera.
And what is your occupation?
I'm a child support officer for the Office of the Attorney General of Texas.
And as a child support officer, what do you do?
I conduct investigations and calculate child support and retroactive support.
And did you have a chance to calculate any child support for this particular case today?
Yes, I did.
Did you find some income from Mr. Santinalo Cantanano?
Yes, I did. Based on
And
what
what was
the
his? Go ahead, sir.
based on what the employer reported, I calculated his monthly gross income as $1,548.45. Net
And-
after taxes and healthcare, my calculations came out to $1,239.48.
Thank you. And what did you calculate child support based on that income? What amount?
Based on my calculations, child support would be $372 a month.
And how many children is that for?
That is for 3 children, I believe. Give me 1 second.
Thank you. And did you calculate what the amount would be for 2 children?
Yes, that would be $310.
And then for the remaining 1 child, what would it be?
For the last child, it would be $248.
Thank you. And did you also calculate his medical support obligation based on his income for the 3 children?
Yes, I did, and that amount would be $139 per month.
Thank you, Mr. Barrera. And Mr. Barrera, did the state of California request any retroactive child support for this case, as far as you know?
No, they did not.
Thank you. All right. And what kind of, is mom going to apply for a government medical assistant program through her state?
Yes.
I pass the witness, Your Honor.
All right.
The state requests the court to do a default order, child support of $372, step down to $310 per month, step down to $248 per month, and medical support of $139 per month, all to begin October 1st of 2020. Court costs as billed to Mr. Stellano, as billed by Harris County, due on or before February 1st of 2021.
You done?
Yes, sir. That completes our request.
Okay.
Yes, Your Honor.
Court will approve the order as submitted. Thank you.
Thank you, Your Honor.
All
Thank
right,
you,
now we have cause number 2020-07490. Oh, who's the AG on that one?
Ms.
There we
Turner.
go. Miss Turner. In the interest of Giron St. Rose and Mr. Barrera, please raise your right hand to be sworn. Solemnly swear to tell the truth, the whole truth, and nothing but the truth, so help you God.
Yes.
All right, please state your name and what your relationship is in this matter.
I am a child support officer representing the state of Texas.
And your name?
Arnaldo Barrera.
Okay, and for the state?
Marcella Turner.
Court will know that this is a UIFSA petition, and the non-custodial parent is Ron St. Rose. Mr. St. Rose was served on March 17, 2020 at 6:41 p.m. at 1601 Garth Road, apartment 1707 in Baytown, Harris County, Texas. He has not filed an answer. Is that correct, Ms. Turner?
That's correct, Your Honor.
He was further given notice of this Zoom hearing by certified mail, return receipt requested, which was delivered August 19th, 2020. He is not checked in. Is that correct, Ms. Turner?
That is also correct, Your Honor.
All right, we'll proceed by default.
Thank you, Your Honor. At this time, the state would like to call Mr. Barrera to the stand. Mr. Barrera, could you please state your name for the record again?
Arnaldo Barrera.
And Mr. Barrera, where do you currently work?
Arnaldo Barrera.
Say it again.
And Mr. Barrera, where do you currently
I work at the Office of the Attorney General as
And how long have you worked there?
I work at the Office of the Attorney.
And how long have
I
you
worked
worked?
there 11
I couldn't hear you. You're going in and out.
11 plus years.
Okay. And what is your job title?
11 years.
And what is your job
Child
title?
support officer.
And what
Child
type of,
support officer.
and what type of duties are entailed? I can't hear you.
I conduct child support investigations child support and retroactive support.
And did you have,
Investigations and calculate child support and retroactive support.
Okay, Ms. Turner, you're gonna have to pause for a while because it sounds like he's a bit delayed. So before you ask the next question, pause until he finishes, or we finally get the transmission of his testimony, okay?
okay.
Go ahead.
And did you have an opportunity to conduct an investigation as to Mr. St. Rose's income?
Yes, I did.
And
My calculations,
You're getting ahead of yourselves, Mr. Barrera.
sorry.
Go ahead, ask the question, Ms. Turner.
and what did your investigation yield in regards to Mr. St. Rose's income currently?
His monthly income average comes out to be $4,030.67.
And in regards to the retroactive child support, did you also have an opportunity to to conduct investigations as to his income for the prior 4 years?
Yes, I did.
And in the in the year of 2016, what did you yield from your investigation in regards to Mr. Rose's income, his gross?
His gross income was based on minimum wage of $1,256.67.
And for the year of 2017, what was Mr. Rose's income?
It was also based on minimum wage at $1,256.67.
And for the year of 2018, what was Mr. Rose's income?
His monthly average income is $4,292.47.
And in regards to 2019, for the first 3 months of 2019, what was Mr. Rose's income?
His monthly income during the first 3 months was $3,423.
And for the last 9 months of 2019, what was Mr. Rose's gross income?
It was based at minimum wage, $1,256.67.
And for the first 3 months of 2020, what was the gross income for Mr. Rose?
It was based on minimum wage also, $1,256.67 for the first 3 months.
And from April of 2020 up until September 30th of 2020, what was Mr. Rose's gross income?
$4,030.67.
No further questions for this witness. I'll pass the witness.
All right, thank you, Ms. Barrera.
Thank you.
At this time,
Go
Your Honor, I'm sorry. Did you say something, Your Honor?
No.
Oh, okay. At this time, the state is asking that the court order Mr. St. Rose to pay current monthly support based off of the testimony provided by Mr. Barrera in the amount of $660 with a cash medical support in the amount of $80, both of those to begin October 1st of 2020. The state is also ordering that the court grant and order a judgment retroactive child support judgment from the time frame of September 30th, 2016 up until today's date of September 30th, 2020 in the amount of $20,562 based off of the testimony of gross income for the prior 4 years. The state is also asking that the court order Mr. St. Rose to pay any court costs as billed due by November 30th of 2020. That concludes the request from the state in regards to this order.
All right, the court will approve the order submitted. Thank you.
Thank you. May we be excused?
Yes, ma'am.
Thank you.
Thank you.
You know. Oh, We got
still
another?
gotta prepare it. And then I have
I guess we can leave out, well, Arnold, I don't know. She talked to you about her other one? Let's go back to the other one really quick.
Okay.